Welcome to Cook Your Catch. I'm Blaine Garrett, and today we're making crappie sliders. Let me give you a quick rundown on what we're working with. We've got our fish batter. We have about 9 really nice sized crappie fillets. We got our coleslaw mix, half a cup of mayo, 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, and our rolls. So I like to lay my fillets on a paper towel first, and it just gets a lot of that surface moisture out. It helps our fish to stay crispy. It helps keep our batter from clumping up on us. I just give it a quick roll, quick press. Now we can just roll it back out. Okay, let's check this oil here. Perfect, we are sitting right at 350. By the time we dredge these fish, it'll be about 360, which is what I like because that temperature will drop in that oil as soon as you drop these fish. All right, let's drop some fish. The crappie is dropped. All right, while we are letting those fillets fry, we're gonna take our pan over to the grill. We got about 425 on this grill. We'll get that pan good and hot. Okay, here we go. Let's mix up some slaw. First thing that we're gonna do, we're just gonna go ahead and get this mayo in this bowl. Mayo's in the bowl. Sprinkle in our sugar. Our lemon juice. And just a little bit of vinegar. You know, when you start mixing this, it doesn't look like you have enough mayonnaise. It never does. But I've just noticed the more you work it, the more even that consistency gets, the better off it is. And that mayonnaise really, truly does go a long ways. All right, I think our fish is done. Our coleslaw is done. Oh, these are great. They're gonna be nice and crispy. All right, coleslaw's mixed up. We got our spicy tartar sauce ready to go. Our fish is ready. And now we're gonna throw these buns on that skillet. All right, so we're just looking to toast the outsides. Buns are good and toasted. Now we're just gonna give these a quick cut. Okay. Let's give these a little sauce. This is a half spicy sauce and half tartar sauce. Okay, now we need some fish. Our last one. There's no doubt about it. This is gonna make a little bit of a mess, but that's okay, because that's just part of the process. And then when you serve it, you can just bring the whole board out. All right. Put these tops back on. There you go. We got a whole board full of crappie sliders, ready to eat. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to give one of these a taste. Those are so good. If I walked up at somebody's fish fry or cookout and they had that whole board laying out and I tried that first one, I'd probably just go ahead and walk away with the whole board. My name's Blaine Garrett. This is Cook Your Catch. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.